What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your analytics on Instagram. Now keep in mind that you need to have a business or creators account in order to check this. Now once you do, all you have to do is just simply click on your profile image in the lower right hand side. Then under your bio you should see a professional dashboard. You want to click on that, and within this professional dashboard is where you'll find all your analytics and insights. So as you can see there, it is showing the insights there. It's showing your account reach, it is showing your account engagement, your total followers, content you shared, and so much more. You can even find ads tools, achievements, branded content, and so much more. So this is where you can go ahead and find all your analytics on your Instagram account. Really hope you find this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and also go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much and see you next time.